Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you what I got in my grocery shopping. I never used to buy groceries when I was unmarried, but now I do that and I love it. So these are the bags that I got to keep my vegetables and fruits in refrigerator. It's really nice and it just helps you organize your veggies. So I've got actually a few capsicums. I really liked these apps these capsicums, and in another bag I've kept my France beans and a few chilies, and I eat a lot of green chilies. I add them a lot, and these are my favorite. Oh yes, I love them, but I don't eat them as often. And this is the 100% whole wheat bread because my husband doesn't like white bread, and we get white bread only for the dogs. This is the spinach. I got two bundles of spinach, and that was just for 7 rupees each. So I just chopped it and I kept it in refrigerator. And don't wash it, it'll last you for a week. If you wash it, it won't last that long. So this is spinach. I can add it in any dal, in any vegetable, or I can make palak paneer. That's my favorite. I got adrak, that's ginger. Not much because now it's summers and we won't need the adrak wali chai. Then some coriander, some more green chilies, and I love garlic and ginger. So that's that. Then I bought some fruits, and I love buying fruits because I find them so cheap and so good in nutrients, and I just love it. So I got these 9 bananas, and they were actually 5 chikus, but I had two of them. So this all was for 65 rupees, and I love it. I always tell my husband like a child, I got this so many fruits in just 65 rupees, and he just loves it. So I just love it. I think that's the pack of good nutrients that you can get in cheap rather than eating outside and spending 300-400. So that's some tomatoes. We always buy desi tomatoes, but I couldn't find desi today, so I just got these. I think some of them are desi, some of them are hybrids. Then I've got some mutter, some peas, and they were really cheap, so I got half kgs of that. This is the bill which I'm showing you. This is from the Haryana Fresh, the stores that have recently been open in Gurgaon from the government. It's really cheap, it's really nice. You can see how, I got everything in just 86 rupees, I guess. So this is some kakdi. I don't know what kakdi is called in English, but I really like it. But I love cucumbers more than kakdi, so I just got it. Sometimes you need something for the salad. Then I got this gehet ki dal, which is actually a pahadi dal, so my husband really likes it. But I didn't know that the kulit dal is actually the gehet ki dal. And the Rujuta Divakar, she actually mentioned in her Instagram that it's really nice. So I just got it, and this is what I actually what do you call it? इसको मैंने पानी में भिगोया है, and I'll be making it tomorrow for the lunch. So I also got white kabuli chana. So this is that. And since now I'm editing this video, these are my chipped nails. You can see I just removed my nail extensions, and my nails are like ruined. So since now I'm editing, so I can actually say that we actually had chole kulche. The next day's dinner was this when I got this chole. The next day I prepared chole kulche. So that's all I bought, and I really love grocery shopping. I think if you are in charge of the kitchen, you would really like it. Why I have stopped telling my husband to buy groceries, because he always gets so many stuff which I don't need. So this is some raw bananas, and the next video will be about the recipe of these raw bananas, which I got 3 of them because we are 3 at our place. So we are 3 members, so I got 3 bananas, and they were really cheap, they were really nice, full of nutrients, full of iron. And it's really simple. The sabji, this is the bhigoye hue chane, which you can see. The sabji is like really amazing. This is Rexy. He is always so excited. He thinks that I'm opening maybe a pack of chicken or some biscuits. So that's all guys that I shopped, and do let me know in the comment section whether you love